What is going on, everyone? Jake here, back again with a lovely DHB video, as I always do. So today, you might notice, I have a new camera set up. Now using a GoPro, which, not the most professional camera choice, but damn well good enough for what I'm doing. Got it for my birthday, girlfriend did a great job, so having some fun with it so far. So yeah, we'll have new camera, better camera, 60 FPS for the rest of forever. Just got some new tools, and hopefully we can get those forks off. And if we can get those forks off, we can start swapping it all back and putting it back together so that we can have a running, driving scooter that I can go register and use every day. So let's check that out. So excuse the lighting. I think we tripped a breaker or something because I'm all plugged in, but light switch doesn't do nothing, so excuse the lighting for now. I'll try to get as many shots with sunlight as possible, but went to good old Harbor Freight, you know, the best location. Got ourselves some big-ass Allen keys, and if this biggest one isn't big enough, I might fucking shoot myself, but let's take a look. Oh, look at this mess. Used motor oil from a boat. Oh, there's something floating in it. That's cool. Alright. Oh, it's larger. So, this is a 17. Is it a 16 or something else? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So this is a 12. Interesting. Alright, so we got 12 mil Allen here. This guy, something. I probably should have figured that out beforehand, but let's grab a wrench and get those both off. I think I did something good for once, so got them all off, which is great. So these things are filled with fluid, because it's a shock and a spring in one. So you got the spring, and then the rest is filled with fluid. I don't know if you can hear this. That's the fluid. And these caps are what holds it in place at the end, and it retains the spring and the fluid, so kind of does double duty. These just kind of clamp onto them, and then this ridge on the top, that's what holds it in place. So I'll switch them over right now, and then I guess I'll just start reinstalling the non-bent one into the blue scooter. We'll just go from there. Alright, we got them all swapped up. Here's our shitty, twisted, awful, terrible one. And here is our lovely, nice, like you can, oh yeah. Oh, she's shocking good. So, doing great on those. It's like 90 degrees out, so I'm going pretty slow right now, but I'm going to attempt to put it into the blue scooter and button all that up, so let's see how that goes. I got everything swapped over. Sorry about the lighting again. Got the forks all nice and straight, all mounted up on this. That lighting is just terrible. Sorry. I'll get lights in next time. So got this one on. Got this one on as well. This one's like a little tight. I don't have to fuck with that, but gotta get these properly tightened and everything. But yeah, this is on. Just had to make sure that I had the brake on the correct side. I still need to swap out the speedometer cable, because on this guy, where is it? Here's the end of the speedometer, and the cable fell out. Now I don't know where it is. I think, here it is. Cable's here, so either have to swap it between the two or fix this one. I don't know what's going to be quicker, what's going to be easier, but I think I'm going to stop for today. It's super fucking hot. It's like almost like 7, and it's still like 87 degrees outside, so it's super hot right now. I have other stuff to do. I'll pick this up again tomorrow, which will hopefully be, I'm going to do one of these like gay YouTube things. Alright, well, hopefully the new episode will be right about now. One of the best parts of Massachusetts is how right now, this is completely legal. Good stuff. Alright, boyos, back at it. Day 2 for this episode, or whatever the hell I'm gonna call it. Let's get back to work, see where we are. Got the light situation solved, so now we can see stuff in here, which is great. It's an absolute mess. I totally have to go through this because I got to figure out how I'm getting a car in here sometime soon. I think these have to go, but we'll figure that out a different time. So what we're doing right now, I believe, is I have to go through all of this shit, figure out what screws go to which bike. And most of them are the same thing. I'll be able to figure it out. And gonna put the rest of this bike back together, the front end at least. The wheel was last, so I gotta get the whole front fascia and everything on that. Handlebar, all of this, and then hopefully the front is done outside of figuring out the front brake, which I think just needs fluid, not sure, but pretty sure that's all it needs. So then the front brake be another time, and then the rear brake light or tail light, whatever, and then it's basically done. So let's get to work. Alright, as you can see, got this main part on, fully secured. It's basically, I don't know if I've shown this yet, but it's basically 1, 2, 3 screws there. And there's one that doesn't look like it matches, but they do go there, right there on the side. And then this kind of all sandwiches together because there's all these different pieces. So yeah, basically got that all done. The next thing that we do is get this front piece on. That has basically where the rest of these connectors go. Basically where everything goes. Actually, some of these can go back together. Oh no, I put this on wrong. Shit. Alright, well, I might have to figure that out, but whatever. I'll go back to time lapse. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day. Camera died. It's actually not charging properly, which is really annoying. But so I don't know if you saw this. Front end's all the way together, except for this top cowl, which I can do real quick. Super easy. I gotta swap the lights over though, because one of the casings is bad and the other one has a shitty bulb or something like that. But wanted to show you this real quick. This is pretty cool. Right before I close out this video is the fact that let's take our beautiful keys here. Oh, this is gonna be impossible to do, but let's see. Starts right up. Starts right up, so unplugged for all that time, and she's working mint right now, which is great. But that's gonna be the end of this video. So if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, like the video please. If you guys want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Post more scooter stuff. I'm gonna be working on my girlfriend's car in a little bit, so I'll probably record that. More racing, obviously. You know what the deal is with this channel anyway. But yeah, so thanks everyone for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye.